loaf bread, and this bread is really delicious. You will not buy again after you make this at home. And this bread you can make for French toast or whatever toast you want. And later I will show you how to make Hawaii toast with this bread. And for this bread you need dry yeast, sugar, water, soft butter. I use salted butter, a little bit salt, and this one is all-purpose flour and milk. First you mix together milk, water, sugar, and dry yeast. And you mix with the whisk. Now you mix flour and salt, and you add butter, and mixture. And you mix with spatula. You mix until well combined. And you continue knead the dough about 5 minutes. And you make a ball. And sprinkle a little bit with the flour. You close and let it rise for 1 hour. This is the first proving. After 1 hour, you see this rice really big, double. And you punch this. Okay. Okay. Move the dough here. And then you want to put the dough later. Now you fold the dough and then you roll this. And close the open space here. Okay. I use loaf pan 25 by 10 by 10 centimeter, and you transfer the dough here and cover for 30 minutes. Let it rise first. This is the second proofing. After 30 minutes, you see this, the dough rise, and you preheat your oven 180 degrees Celsius, and you bake this for 35 until 40 minutes, depend on your oven, or until you can see it on the top golden brown. I bake this for 35 minutes, and you see this, really beautiful, and you have to take out from the loaf pan directly after you finish baking. And on the side, not so brown, because I cover the loaf pan with baking paper. The whole loaf pan I cover with baking paper. And I will cut this and show you how it looks like inside. To have a better taste for this bread, actually you have to keep until tomorrow, and then you cut and taste this. But because this is for my video only, so I will cut now, and I will show you how to make a Hawaii toast. You see this? It's really nice inside. Make a toast using my oven. I want to make the Hawaii toast. With the butter. And ham. And pineapple. And the last, you add cheese. And you repeat for all the bread. And preheat your oven 180 degrees Celsius. You bake this for about 10 minutes. Okay, this is the Hawaii toast. Really nice. You see this? The cheese melting, and then inside the pineapple and ham here, and then the butter and the toast. You will like this. Thank you for watching. See you for the next recipe. Take care. Bye.